Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. If you're new here, welcome. If you watch any of my Dollar General videos, you know at the beginning of my video, I go over how to use the Dollar General app, but it takes up quite a bit of time in the video. So I decided I'm going to put that clip here, plus add on some extra details that I didn't include in the clip that I play in my video normally. And then when I do my Dollar General videos, I can just put a card at the top of the video to link to this video. That way everybody doesn't have to watch it every single week. Only the people who need to know how to use the app can come watch the video. So some of the stuff in this video you probably have already seen if you've ever seen one of my Dollar General videos, but keep watching because I have new stuff in here that I have not put in the other videos. Okay, let's roll that intro. Do you all realize that Christmas is right around the corner? It's crazy. This year, as crazy as this year has been, it's actually kind of flying by. Thank goodness. But it's time to start thinking about Christmas shopping. I don't know about you, but I tend to do a lot of my Christmas shopping online. I shop online because I don't have time to run store to store, getting one thing at each store because everybody wants something different. So I have a way for you to save money while doing that online shopping for Christmas this year. Top Cashback has offered to sponsor this video. Thank you, Top Cashback. Not only are they helping me out by sponsoring this video, but they're also going to help you out. When you sign up for Top Cashback using the link in my description box, they are going to give you $10 back when you spend $25 or more on your first order. They offer cashback for over 4,400 stores. Like for me, I do a ton of shopping on Amazon for Christmas. They offer cashback on Amazon. Also Best Buy, Sephora, Costco, Dollar General, and of course, CVS.com. And here's a little heads up. Did you know on CVS.com you can use digital coupons? And all you have to do is go to topcashback.com, sign up. It's completely free, won't cost you a dime. You can either search for the store you want to shop at through there, or you can download their extension that they have for like Google Chrome. Then when you go to those websites, it'll automatically activate their cashback offer for that website. So even easier. So I'm going to show you how simple it is. I have to get something for my daughter. She has a wish list for her baby shower stuff. They have Carters. They're giving back 8% cash back on new customers. I'm a new customer, so I'm going to click this is the offer I want. Then I'm going to hit get cash back now. It's going to tell me just shop as normal and they'll take care of the rest. So it's going to open up the website. It's going to look just like it would if you went to the website yourself. You're going to shop. That's what I did. I got 2 items. My total before tax is $26, so I'm going to get back $2.80 for that. And then I'm going to get the $10 back for spending over $25. Then you just check out as normal, and it's just that easy. Nothing else to do. Just make sure you use the link in the description box below so you get your $10 on your first $25 purchase. Okay, now let's get into all the details about the Dollar General app and how to use it. Before we get started, let's go over a few things you need to remember when shopping at Dollar General. The very first and most important rule is you want to scan every item in the store with your app. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second, but the reason you are doing that is because you want to check that the prices come up correctly. There are times when an item could be on sale, or it could also be a price break, and the Dollar General employees just don't have time to change the tag. So you want to scan the item to make sure the price is what you have wrote down on your scenario, because if that price is off just a little bit and it throws you under $25, the 5 off 25 will not come off at the register. Another reason you're scanning those items is to make sure the digital coupons are attaching. At Dollar General, the digital coupons are very finicky. Sometimes it will attach to an item of 1 cent, but it will not attach to the same item of a different cent. So you need to scan to make sure those items are definitely attaching. If you're doing a gain scenario, you want to make sure the coupon you're using plus the gain coupon are both attaching to each item in that scenario. If there is one single item in that gain scenario that's not attaching to that gain coupon and it throws you below that $30 gain total, then that gain coupon is not coming off at the register. I'm also going to show you in just a second what I mean with that gain coupon attaching. Another thing to keep in mind is those instant savings. As an example, if you're doing a 5 off 25 deal and you have a spend 15 on Scott products, save $3 instantly, then you're going to have to make sure your new total is $28 before coupons, because that $3 will come off and you still have to be at that $25 threshold after that instant savings comes off. And lastly, get what you need, not what is cheap. I personally do not like travel and trial size items. So before I wouldn't even put them in my scenarios, but people really like the very low out-of-pocket scenarios with all the travel and trial size things. So now I try to include at least one very low out-of-pocket scenario for you. And now let's do a quick rundown of how to use the app. First thing you're going to do is open up the app. Once you open it up, you're going to click right here in the middle at the bottom onto list. Once this screen opens up, you're going to check the top. You're going to make sure this location is the store that you're at. If not, you're going to hit change store and put it on the correct location. Once you're set on the correct location, you're ready to scan some items. So you're going to click this little barcode here. The screen will pop up and then you are ready to scan. I'm going to scan a few items out of my stockpile to show you what will happen. Here is some Gain dish soap. When we scan it, we see there's a 50-cent coupon. We also see that the Gain digital coupon is attaching. Now we're going to click add to list. If you look up here, it'll show it in our cart. Click the deals applied. It'll show you what coupon attached to it. Now we're ready to scan another item. So let's click the barcode again. And like before, once you click the barcode, the screen will pop up and you can begin scanning another item. We're going to grab an Airwick oil twin pack. Let's go ahead and scan it. As you can see at the bottom, there's nothing there. That means no coupons have attached to this item. If you know for a fact this item does have a coupon and it's showing there's no coupons, go ahead and scan a different scent because you may find a coupon for a different scent. Okay, now let's grab some VRYQQ and scan them and see if there's any coupons that attach to them. You find the barcode and scan it here. You will see that a $1 coupon attaches to this item. This little check mark over here has to be checked in order for the coupon to be clipped to your account. One more little thing I want to add is this total here at the bottom, the $4.27. Do not go by that total. That total is rarely correct. The best way to get your total is to do some old school math on a piece of paper with a pencil. How many of you have walked into Dollar General, opened up your app, and been greeted by this lovely sight? Did you know Dollar General offers customer Wi-Fi? Believe it or not, corporate Dollar General encourages you using the Dollar General app, where the managers not so much. So if you get in the store and your phone internet's just not working, here's something you can try. Go to your settings on your phone, click Wi-Fi, and then let the little spinning wheel of death go until it says DG customer. Click on that, but then you have to wait. And I repeat, you have to wait until this little screen here pops up. Then at the bottom where it says continue to the internet, you're going to click on that and wait again until you see you're now connected. If it doesn't pop up and say you're connected, you are not connected. It may show the little Wi-Fi bar on the top of your screen, but if it doesn't say you're connected, then don't assume that you're connected to their Wi-Fi. Okay, so if you have horrible internet service inside the store and your Wi-Fi won't work for some reason, the store has it turned off or whatever, here's what else you can do. You're going to put the items from your scenario or whatever you want to scan into your basket. Then you're going to take your basket as close as you can to the front door without actually walking out the front door, and then scan your items there at the front door, so that way you're getting the internet service from outside the building. Not having any internet service in the building is one of the biggest things I hear people complain about in general. Okay, now we're going to open our Dollar General app and we're going to make sure our location is set to the right location. So we're going to click on list at the bottom, and up top it should show your address. If that's not the store you're at, click it, and then if you pull this little menu up at the bottom, if you're at the store, it'll say 0.0 miles. Hit make this my store. It'll make it your store. Then you can go back to your list. It'll show it up top. Let me get rid of these. Oh, to delete something, you just swipe left and hit the trash can. So when you're at the store, this will pop up. You don't want to use the cart calculator. So on this, you'll just hit close. Some people may use cart calculator. I do not use cart calculator. Okay, so I'm actually in store, so I'm going to show you how to scan something in the store. So on list, I'm going to hit the barcode up top. It's going to pull up this. I'm going to scan this Airwick. You can see there's a $1.50 coupon for the Airwick. It's $3.35 regular. So I'm going to scroll down. If you scroll down, you will see the coupons. If you scroll down, there's no coupons that attach. So I clicked the coupon. I made it into a check mark, as you see there, and it lowered my price to $1.85. Now I like to put add to list, and then it'll put it in my cart. That way I can go at the end of my trip and make sure everything has a coupon attached to it. Now we're going to scan this Oral-B indicator toothbrush. Normally this has a coupon. It does not right now. So I scan it, try to scroll down. There's no coupons that attach to it. So that's something I will just put right back on the shelf. Another thing we almost always have a coupon for is the Crest Cavity Protection Toothpaste or the Crest Tartar and Cavity Toothpaste. So I found one of those. I'm going to scan it and show you it does have a coupon that attaches. I scroll down. There's the $1 coupon. I clip it and you can add it to your list if you're going to keep it, or just hit the barcode to go scan another item. Okay, now let's click deals at the bottom of the app and let's go over what these are. We're going to click on coupons. I always like to hit the sort button, and I sort by high to low. I like the highest value coupons at the top. You have to do it every time you open the app though. It doesn't keep it the same way. And then you can scroll down and see. Now you'll also notice that it doesn't always sort them completely by high to low, but it will kind of put them in a high to low order. As you can see, the app is not perfect, but it saves me a lot of money, so I like it. So you just keep scrolling down and you can look at all your coupons. I tend to mostly stick with the higher value coupons. There's our 5 off 30 gain coupon. Let's hope when this coupon expires, we get a 5 off 20, 5 off 25. That'd be great. Here you can see a DG store coupon. It says it right above the picture. There's another one. There's some paper products. There's the $1.50 off that I'm going to use on this purchase that I'm fixing to do. And you just keep scrolling down and checking them out. They're not completely in the perfect high to low order, but they work. So now we're going to click on rewards. If you've not looked at your reward section in your app, you should. This is kind of, I'm going to compare it to CVS where it tracks what you spend. So on this account, if you go in and enroll on all these rewards, then it will track your spending. So like there's a spend $30 on Huggies product, get $5 savings. So as you purchase Huggy products, it will track your spending, and when you hit that $30 on the bottom of your receipt, it'll print out a $5 coupon. There are like 5 or 6 offers under this reward section, so you should go through and enroll for each of them. And then keep an eye on the bottom of your receipts, because that's where it's going to print out, and you're not going to know it, and you might just throw your receipt away. So make sure you always look at the bottom of your receipt. Now if you go back to deals and hit just for you, hit next and all that. I've never had any just for you deals, but it says coming soon, so we're going to keep an eye on that and hope it does. Then you can go down here and click on weekly ad. There's your weekly ad, there's a pre-holiday ad, fall decor ad. There's just a ton of ads. But the one we're most worried about is the weekly ad. Because what we want to do is look at the weekly ad, see what's on sale, see if we have any digital coupons that match up with those. That's where you get your biggest savings. Okay, that's basically the rundown of how to use the Dollar General app. I know some of this you've already seen, and I'm sorry about that. I just figure it's easier to make a video now and post it. That way people can watch it as they need to watch it. So if there's anything you're wondering about the Dollar General app that I did not cover in this video, go ahead and leave it in the comment section down below. You can also leave any comments, questions, concerns, complaints that you may have for me. Also, again, I want to give a big thank you to Top Cashback for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to click the link in my description box below and save $10 off your first $25 purchase. Don't forget to download their extension to your browser on your personal computer. You literally add the browser to your, I use Chrome, so you add it to Chrome, and every time I go to a website that has some kind of checkout where you buy things from, it will pop up if there's an offer from Top Cashback that I can activate to use on that website. So you kind of just set it and forget it, because it's just there. It'll pop up and let you know. You can save 1% on this website, 3%, and then you just click the activate button and it's good to go. So it's a really good tool to have, especially like now at Christmas time when you're doing a lot of online shopping and you don't remember to go to Top Cashback. It'll automatically pop up in the corner on the top right side and say there's an offer you can activate. So go ahead, click the link in my description box, sign up, and get $10 back on your first $25 purchase. Also, if you haven't gave this video a thumbs up yet, please go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the little bell, turn your notifications to all so you get a notification anytime I post a video. I'm going to go ahead and jump off here. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, and until next time, bye.